Good morning, everyone. I'm going to present vector operators and analysis of electromagnetic field subject. Vector operators and analysis. Here, it's a vector operators have divergence, gradient, and curl, and all that it's having vector operations. Del or Nepla operator, which is equal to dou by dou x, comma dou by dou y, comma dou by dou z. These are based on the x, y, z variable. It is in Cartesian coordinate system. By combining vectors in three ways, scalar product is A dot B. This is scalar. Cross product, that is vector product is A cross B. It is C is a vector. Then outer product AB equal to C, it is a tensor. Then scalar product, which is named as divergence. R is a Cartesian coordinate system position vector. If R is a Cartesian coordinate position vector means R equal to x comma y comma z. A of R equal to ax, ay, az. A is a vector functions of positions R. Divergence. Divergence is del dot A. It's dou a x by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z. It is a divergence of A. And scalar product of del with A. Scalar function of positions. Cross product is a curl of A equal to del cross A, which is equal to I j k variable. The corresponding partial differentiation is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. The value is ax, ay, az. If it is I j k or the three dimensional vectors, then del cross A equal to I modulus of dou az by dou y minus dou ay by dou z, then minus j dou az by dou x minus dou ax by dou z plus k dou ay by dou x minus dou x by dou y. Cross product of del with a. Then vector functions of positions. Then gradient. Gradient is pi of x comma y comma z is a scalar function of positions. Gradient of pi equal to dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y, dou pi by dou z. Operation of del on scalar function. Vector functions of positions, then over the field is constant. Pi over the vector functions field is constant. Divergence theorem. Tangent dr equal to I dx plus j dy. V of v equal to vx comma vy. Outward normal n ds equal to I dy minus j dx. N unit vector along the outward normal. Then ds equal to dx square plus dy square whole power of p of xy equal to minus vy. P of xy x comma y equal to vx. Cartesian components of the same vector field v. P dx plus q dy equal to minus vy dx plus vx dy. I vx plus j vy into I dy minus j dx minus vy dx plus vx dy v dot ns ds. Divergence theorem, two dimensional, three dimensional. Apply Green's theorem. If we apply the Green's theorem, we can get the p of x comma y equal to plus q of x comma y dy. Double integration of surface integral dou q x y by dou x minus dou p x y by dou y dx dy. Integral over v dot n ds equal to double integral over dou v by dou x minus dou v by dou y dx dy. Inverse integral of v dot ds over surface counter equals to integral of v. Carlson-Stokes theorem. For divergence theorem, P of x comma y equal to minus Vy. Instead choose P of x comma y equal to Vx. P of dx plus q dy equal to Vx dx plus Vy dy. Stokes theorem in three dimensions as shown in the figure. Then Stokes theorem is integral over E dot dl equal to integral over del cross E ds, which is equal to 0. If it's so, del cross E equal to 0, which is an Stokes theorem. Thank you.